Welcome to another cozy episode with Duey C.K and Peppy. Today, we're brewing a warm, spiced apple cider that's perfect for autumn. Let's dive in. Start with a gallon of fresh apple cider. Pour it into a large pot and set it on medium heat. Now comes the fun part, spices. Add 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 whole cloves, 4 whole allspice berries, and a slice of fresh ginger for that extra zing. Toss in an orange cut into slices, peel on to infuse a citrusy note. Let everything simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Your kitchen will smell like an autumn dream. While our cider simmers, let's talk traditions. Did you know apple cider has been a fall favorite since colonial America? Early settlers brewed cider because apples were plentiful and it was safer to drink than water. Fast forward to today, and it's a staple at autumn festivals and cozy gatherings. All right, back to our cider. Once it's ready, strain the spices and fruit and pour the golden, fragrant goodness into mugs. For an extra touch, garnish with a cinnamon stick and a slice of apple. There you have it, a comforting cup of autumn. So tie on your apron and let's get cooking with Duey and Peppy, where every recipe is a bite-sized adventure.